Morally bankrupt. Ito ang deklarasyon ng mga obispo, international community at ng malawak na diskontentong mamamayang Pilipino sa gobyernong nagdulot ng sukdulang kagutuman, kaliwat ka ng kontrobersya, korupsyon, panunuhol at iba pa. Pagkitil sa karapatan, pamamaslang, pagdukot, torture, laban sa mga makabagong propeta na nagtataguyod ng katotohanan at kagalingan ng bayan.
Binansagan ng berdugo ng mga militante si Palparan. Saan man siya mapunta, sunod-sunod daw ang pagpapatay sa mga lider ng militante. Ito raw ay bahagi ng all-out war. Ang patakaran ni Palparan, hindi siya aamin, hindi rin siya tatanggi.
Ang kulay ng bawat pahayagan, tila isang laro na lamang bang pagpaslang.
Naman itong kinundina ng international community. Lahat ng daliri ay nakaturo sa iisang salarin. Ang Oplan Bantaylaya ng gobyernong Arroyo, giyera laban sa kanyang sariling mamamayan.
Whoever thought a state would be so ruthless to gun down leaders full of so much heart? They stripped the country of its finest treasure. We join the masses strong and sing our part.
Dito ba mayroon bang party list? Kung dito po mayroon pong nangampanya ng eleksyon sa bayan muna, anak bayan, akbayan at anak pawis, Gabriela, Bago Karids, kung kayo po ay nagamit nila, po, lumapit na po kayo sa ating mga kasundaluhan at magpalinis sa inyong mga pangalan. Namin dito sa Kalawakan, maraming naakyatan dito. No? So, lumapit na po kayo doon at sabihin nyo na yung totoo para malinis po ang inyong pangalan na nakalista sa order of battle.
Organization existing in an area if it is already declared because they have no place na maluko nila yung tao. We had that before, yung Republic Act 1700. Pero sa tingin ko pa rin, kulang pa rin yun eh. Kung desidido sila, lahat ng mga involved, lahat ng kadre ay pinagkukuha talaga yun. At kinasuhan or they were punished. Or,
Sir Cadre, you're referring to armed and non-armed?
Armed and non-armed, my determination. At yung mga pronouncement ko, perhaps I could be responsible on that aspect.
Meaning indirectly?
Indirectly, could be.
But the people responsible, are they under you or?
Not necessarily. Could be also.
Medyo mahiwaga sa nasagot niyo.
Oh, yeah. Pwedeng under ko yung mga tao yun. Pwede namang hindi. Oh, so.
But sir, if they were under you, would that be within the legal parameters pa rin?
May not be. That's why you have to look for them. Maring hindi. Maring nasubrahan. Because I encourage my men to be aggressive.
Kulay dugo ang kulay ng bawat pahayagan, tila isang laro na lamang bang pagpaslang. O kay raming buhay na ang nasayang sa walang tigil na pagyurak sa pantaong karapatan. Let His kingdom reign on earth. Let His justice rule the land. No more captives, no more hunger. People and nations of the world unite. Let His peace reign on earth. Let His freedom rule the land. No more wars and superpowers, for God will be our strength in our fall. In the midst of infamy, against your holy name, in the face of the enemy, we exalt your greatness. We'll serve you, O Lord. We'll follow your words and preach of the living gospel to free your people. With the message of truth, freedom and justice, with the message of love and peace. With the message of truth, freedom and justice, with the message of love and peace. Not even the darkness can stop us to serve you. All forces of evil will vanish in the end as we call on your name. Live up with your words and preach of the living gospel to free your people. With the message of truth, freedom and justice, with a message of love and peace. With the message of truth, freedom and justice, with a message of love and peace. With the message of love and peace.